Hi, my name is Ashu. You could call me Ash for short. And here's the things I like. My favorite food is shumai and egg. And my favorite cartoon is Paw Patrol. And my favorite pet is a bird. This is a map that shows us where we live, that we live in Saudi Arabia. And here's the place in Saudi Arabia. Here's the beach that we sometimes go for picnics. My birthday is in October 23. We put a 7 and a cake because I'm gonna be 7 soon. And I like to sing, dance, and do kayari. And here's the animals I put: owl, hedgehog, and a bunny. And here's what I want to be: a building engineer. Bye, that's all. God bless you.